Ray here, and I'm here today with another video. In today's video, I'm actually going to be showing you guys a hair tutorial. So I decided to do a hair tutorial on a Rihanna hairstyle. This is the hairstyle from her FentySkin Launch. I will show you guys a picture of the hairstyle. So this is what I'm going to be achieving today. I've already finished straightening my hair a few minutes ago, so if you guys are wondering how I straighten my hair, I do have a video on that. It is how to get a sleek and smooth blowout at your house. So yes, I have that video if you guys are wondering how I straightened my hair. So I can attach that in the description box below. I'm just going to quickly show you guys the products that I will be using. So of course we're going to need some rubber bands, and we're going to need a comb, and maybe some hair clips to get your hair out of the way. Now I will be using some edge control, but you do also, since your hair is straight, if you have naturally curly hair like me, you do want to make sure to possibly maybe avoid gel, because I didn't want to use gel because I don't want my edges to kind of curl up. So I'm possibly going to be using the edge control. So if you have like some type of gel or some type of like moisturizer that lays your hair down without kind of curling it back up, I would suggest you to use that. So first thing, you want to go ahead and part the hair kind of in sections to get it out of the way. So I am going to kind of go in the center of my hair and go down till I reach kind of like the behind my ear. So it's going to kind of look like that. So I want to get this hair out of the way. So you can clip it out of the way like this. But yes, so this is a section. You can also clip this out of the way. I feel like it's easier to do the hairstyle in sections so that it looks really neat. Now we're going to do the same to the other side. So I kind of just take the same line. I want to make sure that it's straight across. And we're just going to go all the way to the ear. Alright, so in the picture, the twists are, I don't even know what to call them. I know they're not twists, but the design kind of goes diagonal. So instead of going straight back, it's kind of like this. So that's what you're going to want to do. And then it kind of looks like she has some baby hairs out here. And then she has a diagonal part. Not like this. In the picture, she has multiple boxes, so I'm just going to do my first box. Now, I don't want my boxes to be pretty big, so it's probably about like this size for the first one. And then you could take some of your edge control. And then I kind of spin it so that it's kind of like tight and neat. And then you want to take a rubber band. And then we're going to make the second section. Looks like she has 3 on this last row. Edge control. Now with this one, I am going to take this same ponytail that I just actually wrapped with the first one, and I'm going to connect it with this one and then rubber band it. And we'll do the same thing with the last one. Alright, so here's the first section. Came out pretty good. With the second one, you also want to do a diagonal part. So with this one, it was diagonal going down, and then this one, you're just gonna, go up again and do a diagonal part. I'm gonna do the same thing that I did down here, up here. So little boxes. All right, once you've kind of reached all the way to like the side of your, I would say like eyebrow, like this is where you want to start to go this way. So like from your like arch of your eyebrow, if you kind of like go up, I put the part this way and then I finish putting these this way, and then now these are gonna go this way. So I already kind of put them in rubber bands here so I know which sections, but I'm just gonna do 2 more sections. Alright, so I just finished putting all the rubber bands in, and this is what it's looking like. And then I tried to kind of do my baby hairs a little bit, kind of like how she did them. She didn't have like too much dramatic baby hairs, just kind of like the ones on the side. But yes, so. And then in the picture, she kind of has like curls kind of like at the end of her hair. So I have this wand curler to where I am just going to take some big sections and put some curls kind of like at the bottom. It's not like at the top, just kind of like curled a little bit at the bottom. So I'm going to do that. And then once I kind of finish doing all the curls, then I'll comb it out so that it'll just be kind of curled at the bottom. This hairstyle is pretty simple. It's not too hard to do. It's just the parting part that can be a little bit tricky, and the rubber band part. Sometimes I hate putting rubber bands on because it kind of creates a bunch of flyaways. So I was having trouble with that. I would have to put some edge control down just to make sure there's not a bunch of flyaways, but still cute. All right, and then once it's finished curled, I'm just gonna take a brush and brush it out. You can also use your fingers if you'd like, but I'm just gonna use a brush because she didn't have like this many curls. It was just kind of like toward the end, so it's kind of like that, just a little bit. So. Alright you guys, here is the finished look. I was really upset that I didn't have like a brown leather dress, but I'm just like whatever. I tried to get the closest thing that I have in my closet that is brown. I don't really have a lot of brown dresses, unfortunately. But yeah, this hairstyle was really easy. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and you guys try out this hairstyle as well, because it's really cute. If you guys really enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Like, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. And I will see you guys at my next upload. Bye!